We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a leading production technologist. 5 months ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Sweden and Finland. In order to enter the Scandinavian market, our company planned to expand production and increase the production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases. According to the production technology, the tablets should be further packed in a blister, which preserves the tablets from the powder from the environment. This task required the purchase of new, modern equipment with a capacity of 10,000 tablets per hour. The tablets should be oval-shaped. The choice of automatic equipment for pressing tablets was entrusted to me. Pressing is a technological process of manufacturing tablets from powdered materials, in which the raw material is compressed in the molds of the tablet press. I set out to find a tablet press, which is used to work off industrial batches of tablets, by pressing the tablet mass into molds. To begin with, I decided to compare manufacturers of quality machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 6 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 6 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist, in whom I would be confident, who would deliver me a tablet press within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the tablet press, sent me a video by email, and an instruction manual, where I could study everything in peace. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the tablet press. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine. The powder is loaded through a funnel, a simple push-button press control with adjustable compression pressure. A compact machine, with dimensions of 1040 by 800 by 1000 millimeters. The equipment is made of thick stainless steel. The working area is covered with transparent plastic shields, for protection from external influences. The machine came in a month. We quickly set up and started production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases, and provided the company with products for delivery to the Baltic countries. In choosing any purchase, qualified advice is necessary. The project is bound to be successful if this advice was received from a professional.